from the garden shop. In this video we're going to give you a quick guide on how to assemble your 100cm conical topiary. So again, this is it when it's flat packed, and this is how it comes delivered. You get your topiary, you get your 4 support stakes, and then you also get 8 cable ties, quite small cable ties, nice and neat and easy to use cable ties. And then to my right here you can see the fully assembled conical topiary, as you can see here above, and then at the bottom here you can see the support stakes that just protrude about an inch or 2.5 inches out from the base of the topiary. So what you simply do then is you will take your support stake. You can see that has a pointed end on one end, and that simply goes inside the topiary like so. Okay, so you're putting it on the corner point here. So just turn around and you can see what I mean. So it's going on the 4 corners, one per corner. One will go there, and then the next one with the pointed side down will simply just go right here. And then you'll secure them in place with cable ties. So we'll just do one here very quickly. The whole process takes about 2 or 3 minutes per topiary. And when it's done, the product is quite rigid and fully durable. You can sit out in the garden, you can use it outside or inside, and it's good in all weather conditions. So quickly just assembling the first cable tie here. You want to put it nice and tight then once you have it on, and that will hold that in place. So that's the first one in. And then you want to go up about 2 foot up the length of the topiary into the corner point here, and you can just see that you can then just feed it in at the corner. So what it needs to do, it needs to go into the topiary, around and catching the support stake, and then it'll come back out again to you like so, and then you just pin that in place. So it can be a 2-man job, but you can still do it as a 1-man job as well if needs be. So then that's the second one, locking in. No harm then just to cut that off then with a scissors once it's done. So I'm just showing you how to do one. You simply just repeat that process then to go all the way around the topiary on 4 sides. So you can see that we have one in there. You can then also adjust the height of that if required, and you can even pull it down a good bit then so that you can have a good anchoring point for your topiary. So that's it anyway, that's it flat packed, and just finally then, just to show you it fully assembled, this is the fully assembled 100cm topiary here. So that's it anyway, that's our video on how to assemble your topiary from thegardenshop.ie.